Welcome back mga ka-joy, and we are going to walk around the Abreeza Mall. Hi guys, welcome to Joy of the World! Welcome back mga ka-joy, and we are here at Bahada JP Laurel Avenue in Davao City, and we are going to walk around Abreeza Mall. And yes mga ka-joy, we are currently here outside the mall yet, and we are going to see some of the towers around the Abreeza vicinity. And here is the Aeon Towers. Yes, this is one of the iconic buildings in the city right now. Going left is towards the parking spaces of Abreeza Mall, but we are not going to enter there yet. And we are still outside the Abreeza Mall, and we are still going to see some of the buildings around Abreeza. And here's a place for worship. It's the Christ's Commission Fellowship. And just nearby is also we are going to see the Redemptorist Church. But we are not going on the other side yet, and we are just here at the left portion, and we are currently seeing the Inspiria Tower. And we are now going inside the mall in a while, and this is actually part of the Abreeza Corporate Center. And yes, we are going to enter here. And now we are inside the mall, and we are just going to walk around at the area of the second and the third floor of the mall. And we are now at the third floor of the mall, and we are at the alfresco area. And this island here is the so-called the orchidarium. Yeah, there are some orchids right there and some plants, of course. And just outside you can see the towers of Abreeza Place, and then later you are going to see also Inspiria, yeah, the Aeon Towers and other towers nearby. And we are now back inside the mall, and we are just walking around. And yes, mga ka-Joy, at this time it is already alert 1. And you will observe that more and more people are going out. And actually, we are on our final stretch of our walk around the mall. And yes, we are still here at the Abreeza Ayala Mall. And there you go, mga ka-Joy, and we are going towards a window that will see the towers outside Abreeza. And yes, so there you go. Thanks for watching. Until next time, mga ka-Joy. Goodbye!